Alright, so the last video we did on AI music, there was a lot of rage around not showing real AI music demos in the music. Our idea was to show you more about stereo music gen models, but people wanted to look at demos and maybe hear real results of us playing with a few AI music tools. We are doing this video just to address that. Now, we've all witnessed the remarkable progress in AI text-to-image generation, but let's shine a light on a realm that's been somewhat overlooked: text-to-music. There have been significant strides in the text-to-music scene, and today, I'm excited to share some of my favorite free AI music generators. With each new platform I introduce, the music generation capabilities just keep getting better. So, let's dive right in and explore these awesome tools. First up, we have VoiceMod. Although it's not specifically designed for text-to-music conversion, this one is all about adding a fun twist to your tunes, making it perfect for memes and lighthearted moments. If you're seeking a quick and amusing way to generate a song complete with lyrics, then this could be the perfect fit. It's ideal for crafting a humorous video you can share with friends, but keep in mind that you'll need a VoiceMod account. But the good news is that it's free to use for a limited time. So I asked ChatGPT to write me a few verses for a fictitious person named Andrew that I came up with, wishing him a Merry Christmas. Now, we're just gonna proceed in creating this funny music video. Now I'm just gonna select this Jingle Bells music right here. And then it wants us to choose a singer for the song. Let's hear them out one by one.
La 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 la. Holy moly, holy moly.
La 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 la.
Nani 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 na.
Holy moly, holy moly.
Nani 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 na.
I think I'll choose Ed over here. He has a pop voice with a warm and soothing voice, and we're just gonna paste the lyrics from ChatGPT that is dedicated to our imaginary friend Andrew. Scrolling down here, it even gives us the option to edit the song name and the artist's name. Well, I'm just gonna call the singer James. Let's create the song and let AI do its magic. So it's not like we get to pick the exact sound, but it's still pretty awesome how the AI stitches everything together. It's like a musical surprise package, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. And I'll show you the magic once it's all done generating. And finally, it's done. It says, "Here is your song." Let's take a listen.
In the seasons, always no fiction for a wish for Andrew. Merry Christmas to enthrall with joyous carols, and so it may your festive moments be a sheer delight. Andrew, as bells chime in hearts, aglow, make peace and warmth in your heart of a crow gets wrapped with care.
Now that's kind of funny, but it's awesome how AI incorporates the lyrics with the melody and the singer's voice all together. It's not top of the line, but this works for memes we can send to friends or families, or just share on the social web for fun, which I think is what it's really meant for, ideally. Now, heading on to the second one called Loudly, an AI music generator. Now, unlike a full-fledged text-to-music tool, this one's great for generating some cool background tunes, especially for videos. So here's how it works. You pick a category, let's say hip-hop. Then, you've got some options to play with. You can customize it by enabling or disabling certain features, but if you leave it as it is, it'll just generate a pure random hip-hop sound for you. In this case, let's say I want to add techno sound to it, so I'll go to Genre Blend and select Techno. Next is the energy. I speculate this would be the loudness of the beat, but we're just gonna leave it as it is for now. Now for instruments, we're just gonna hit Randomize, and then you can choose your desired beats per minute, but I'm just gonna leave it the same. You can also change the duration of the music, which shows that this software is flexible in what it can generate. So I think it's all good now. We're just gonna hit generate and see what it comes up with. And while we're at it, let me just mention that you need to create a free account for this. There is an option to upgrade, but we're just gonna explore its free version for this video. So under hip hop, Techno Blend. It generated 3 musics for free. Let's try the first one called Fat Flow. Now let's try the second one. And the final one. And there you have it, 3 new tunes at our fingertips. It's pretty cool how it gives you some flexibility. I like this one for sure, and you can try it for yourself. All tools and their links are in the comment section below. Now, let's explore our third music generator on the list called Soundful. Let me just say that this one's geared more toward the creative folks out there, especially if you're into music creation. Keep in mind that there's a bit more emphasis on the paid options here, but hey, let's check out. So you'll need to sign up first, but once you're in, the interface might look a bit overwhelming. But no worries, it's not as complicated as it seems. Alright, so first we need to hit that red button, and it gives you options like track, loops, and similar. For our music-focused video, I'm just gonna go with track this time. Then you gotta pick your genre. It's a bit like what we saw in Loudly. While it's not exactly text to music, you still get the chance to mold it and shape it to your preferences. Now, let's begin creating, and let's say I'm in the mood for some hip-hop music with a touch of trap into it. Just like Loudly, we can tweak the BPM or beats per minute, choose a key, and even name our creation. Let's just call it Hip Trap. After naming it, hit that Create Preview button and we'll just wait for it to finish. Now look at this. We've got ourselves a tune. Take a listen. I'd say it did a solid job weaving together those hip-hop and trap vibes. Out of the softwares we featured, I'd say this one stands out for its overall quality. Although it lacks some customization compared to others we've discussed and will be discussing along the way, its quality is something you can use for serious content creation or standard music companies for their recording artists to sing and record to. If you're satisfied with it, you can hit save. If not, you can also tap Create New Preview, and it will essentially generate a new track for you. Once saved, it automatically sends itself to the library. Now, here's the catch. If you're planning on downloading, it comes with a standard price of $50. But since we still have 3 free downloads, it's still not letting us pay for it. As I said, this is the most pay-heavy platform due to the quality of music it produces. Now, to unlock its full range of potential, you'll need to pay for it, especially if you're eyeing that copyright feature. Well, all in all, I would definitely use this one if I ever want to start a career in rap or just want to record a trap music in the future or something. Who knows? Well, so much for my dreams. Moving on with something that is absolutely free called Riffusion. Here is its interface. As you can see, it presents different options from its trending riffs. Let's try it one by one and see which fits best.
Paws in the sand, waves at your feet, every moment with you, oh so sweet. We are champions, my friends. We'll keep on fighting till the end. 1, 2, 3, I'm taking a peek. 4, 5, 6, I might have some sex. Kazuki-chan, every time call your name with a lot of love.
According to our mood, I pretty much love Kazuki's melodic love. Now I'm gonna hit remix to use it, and it gives us the option to write our own lyrics and describe the sound. I'm not big of a songwriter, so I'm just gonna head on to my friend ChatGPT and have it generate us lyrics for melodic love music and use simple words, as we don't want it to sound like Shakespeare wrote this song for us or something. Now we're just gonna paste it here. And now here's a catch. It says, "Are you writing a novel? Just use 5 to 20 words in your lyrics," which is kinda funny, but hey, it's free music generator, right? So not a biggie. Now, I'm just gonna delete the second stanza and hit riff. Then it actually generates a total of 6 music, and let's listen to it one by one.
In the quiet moonlight, feeling so bright. Our hearts are entwined, love taking flight. Simple moments, you and I, underneath the starlit sky. In the quiet moonlight, feeling so bright. Our hearts are entwined, love taking flight. Simple moments, you and I, underneath the starlit sky. But in the quiet moonlight, feeling so bright. Our hearts are entwined, love taking flight. Simple moments, you and I, underneath the starlit sky.
Honestly, we can use this however way we want, as there's no limit to generating riffs, but let's try another one, and this time we're gonna let it write the song for us. I'm gonna choose the boss of bossa nova, and let's see how AI writes us a song. And it generated 3 tracks. Let's listen to it.
Rhythmic sway, the soul of the tropics, embraced by the pulse of the sand. Rhythmic sway, the soul of the tropics, embraced by the pulse of the sand. Rhythmic sway, the soul of the tropics, and embraced by the pulse of the sand.
Now that's more like it. We can use this as intro or outro song if you're a content creator, or if you want to send someone a greeting video, let's say for their birthday, you can utilize Riffusion's power, and the great thing about is it's free and you can create and download as much as you want. Now, onto the last one. We have Splash Music Pro to its interface. We can see it says, create songs with AI. Enter a text prompt to create your song. And with that being said, I'm going to use house, sentimental, flowing, late at night, which are words I found using a tool called Utopia, which I will leave a link below. This is a very helpful tool, especially if you're musically challenged like me. Now, if you have a music of your taste, all you have to do is paste a YouTube link or upload an MP3 file and have it analyze the music to see what that sound is all about. Now I chose this hip-hop song called Changes, and as you can see it says house, sentimental, flowing, and late at night as its major descriptions. Going back to Splash Music, you can see they have this feature called BPM, or beats per minute, which is nice for customization. We're gonna put it at 130 to make it a little bit up-tempo, and click create. And we're just gonna leave all other options as it is for now. Awesome. Now it generated all these samples, and let's hear them one by one and choose which one's the best. I would prefer sample 1, so let's go ahead and select it. Now down here, it offers options you can change for its duration, like 15 seconds, or 30 seconds, which is the default, or 1 minute. But if you would like 2 or 3 minutes, then they would definitely charge you for that. Let's stick at 30 seconds for this video and hit generate. This tool can be a pretty good starting point if you're an aspiring disc jockey or just want to explore producing AI music for fun. Now, another option you can do is explore the ready-made prompts they have on their interface. Let me demonstrate one for you, and here's an example: dancehall rhythms, Jamaica, reggaeton, etc., and hit generate. Let's hear it. Now that one definitely hit the relax button and just makes me want to float on the clouds. And that's all that we have for AI music today. Overall, these tools are still really good in terms of softwares that are still in the development phase, and I think it's a seriously good sign for music generation, as AI can really do wonders for music, especially in the advancements we're witnessing right now from big companies like Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft. We can expect more comprehensive developments for AI music in the weeks, days, and months to come. But what do you think? Let us know in the comment sections below. If you liked this video, please subscribe, as we have tons of AI videos waiting for you ahead. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.